A dripping faucet can waste a ton of water and jack up your water bill without you even noticing. So, here's the deal. First, you want to shut off the water supply under the sink to avoid a mini indoor waterfall. Next, grab a wrench and carefully loosen the faucet parts. Don't go all Hulk smash or you'll just make things worse. If your faucet is dripping, it usually means worn out washers or cartridges need swapping out, which you can find easily at any hardware store. Before putting everything back together, check those O-rings because they can also cause leaks if they're dried out or cracked. Tighten everything just right. Not too tight, or you'll strip the threads or break something. If you're feeling stuck, don't hesitate to watch a quick tutorial or ask someone who's done it before. And remember, fixing the drip yourself saves money and keeps your home from getting all soggy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a dripping faucet is ignoring it for too long, which wastes gallons of water and spikes your bill. Another common issue is over-tightening the faucet parts, thinking it will stop the leak. Actually, that can damage your plumbing. Finally, people sometimes replace just the washers but forget about the O-rings or cartridges so the drip sticks around. The fix? Keep an eye on leaks early, tighten parts gently, and replace all worn components, not just one. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. It also helps contractors find real work from people nearby who need home fixes done right.